and Alex.
And welcome to Girl Talk World. Today, Alex and I are going to be playing a game called Random Questions. Alex is going to be asking me some random questions.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay, Shelby. What is your signature dance move?
I'd probably say the scorpion or like hairpin where you bring your leg behind.
She's so good at that.
Arch back.
It's crazy. Okay, yes. What is your go-to karaoke tune?
Oh, you know that song Valerie, that one? By Amy Winehouse?
Yes.
Yeah, definitely my go-to.
That's a good one. Okay, what would you do if you couldn't dance?
I'd probably do cheerleading or gymnastics.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, what's one thing you can't live without?
Oh, my friend.
Aww, same. If you were stuck on a desert island, what 3 things would you bring?
You know, it's funny because I actually asked this question to a lot of my friends.
Okay.
When I first start to like get to know them. Like I'm pretty sure
You can tell a lot about
yeah, I think it tells a lot about someone. So the 3 things I'd bring would be a mirror.
Yes.
Not to look, just to get that light thing, you know, the reflective light from fire.
See.
I'd bring a fishing
Resourceful.
I know.
Okay.
I'd bring a fishing rod, and I would bring like endless amounts of watermelon. So I love
Okay,
watermelon.
yeah. Wow, you're smart. I want to be stuck on an island with you.
You can use the watermelon shells as like bowls.
I see where you're going.
know?
Yeah. Wow, okay. Okay, last one. What was your favorite viral dance move?
The whip.
The whip?
Always
Can
the
you kind of
whip.
show us a little? Hey! Yes! Good job. Is that all?
Yeah, I think so.
Good,
I think so.
okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope to see you on our upcoming tour, The Next Step Absolute Dance live on stage, starting in the UK October 17th. See you there.